Imagine losing access to millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency because you forgot your password. That's what happened to some unlucky investors who didn't secure their crypto wallet keys properly. Crypto wallet keys are the secret codes that allow you to access and control your digital assets. If you own any cryptocurrency, you need to know about crypto wallet keys. They are the only way to prove that you own your coins, and they can also unlock amazing features and benefits. But how do they work, and why are they so important? Make sure to watch this entire video to understand everything about crypto wallet keys. Plus, we've got a special surprise gift exclusively for you, so stay tuned to claim it. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a software or device that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Unlike a physical wallet that holds cash or cards, a crypto wallet does not actually contain any coins. Instead, it keeps track of your transactions on the blockchain, which is a public ledger of all crypto activity. A crypto wallet has two types of keys, a public key and a private key. These keys are like codes that enable you to access and manage your crypto funds. What is a public key? A public key is like your account number or email address. It is a long string of letters and numbers that you can share with others to receive crypto payments. For example, if you want to sell something online and accept Bitcoin as payment, you can give your public key to the buyer so they can send you the money. A public key is also used to generate a public address, which is a shorter and more user-friendly version of the public key. A public address is what you usually see on a crypto wallet or exchange. You can have multiple public addresses for the same crypto wallet, but they all link back to the same public key. This way, you can use different addresses for different purposes, such as privacy or convenience. What is a private key? A private key is like your password or PIN. It is a secret code that only you should know and never share with anyone. It is used to sign and authorize your transactions on the blockchain. For example, if you want to buy something online and pay with Bitcoin, you need to use your private key to confirm that you own the coins and that you want to send them to the seller. A private key is also a long string of letters and numbers, but it is much more sensitive than a public key. If you lose your private key, you will lose access to your crypto funds. If someone else gets your private key, they can steal your crypto funds. Therefore, it is very important to keep your private key safe and secure. How to store your crypto wallet keys? There are different ways to store your crypto wallet keys, depending on your needs and preferences. Here are some of the most common options. Online wallets. These are wallets that store your keys on the internet, such as on a website, app, or exchange. They are also called hot wallets because they are always connected to the network. They are convenient and easy to use, but they are also vulnerable to hacking, phishing, or other cyber attacks. If you use an online wallet, you should choose a reputable provider and enable features like two-factor authentication or encryption. Offline wallets. These are wallets that store your keys offline, such as on a hardware device, a USB drive, a paper, or even in your memory. They are also called cold wallets because they are disconnected from the network. They are more secure and reliable, but they are also less accessible and convenient. If you use an offline wallet, you should make sure to back up your keys and keep them in a safe place. Hybrid wallets. These are wallets that combine the best of both worlds. They store your keys offline, but they also allow you to access them online when you need to. They are also called warm wallets because they are somewhere in between hot and cold. They offer a balance of security and convenience, but they also require more technical skills and knowledge. If you use a hybrid wallet, you should follow the instructions carefully and update your software regularly. The moment has come to reveal the gift we've prepared for you. It's a unique ebook titled Understanding Cryptocurrencies. In this ebook, you will explore the history and evolution of cryptocurrencies, from the inception of Bitcoin to the development of altcoins and tokens. Crypto wallet keys are the keys to your digital kingdom. They allow you to access and control your crypto funds on the blockchain, so remember to keep your keys safe and secure, and enjoy your crypto journey.